Have you ever wondered why some functions in programming languages seem to defy logic? If you're learning Kotlin, you might be scratching your head over why collections.isEmpty is a function instead of a property. Let's dive into this intriguing question together. I totally get it. It can be confusing when you see collections.size as a property, but collections.isEmpty as a function. You're not alone in feeling this way. Many new Kotlin developers have the same question. Here's the specific question we're addressing today. One user asked, why isn't isEmpty in Kotlin collections a property? Is it a design bug? This is a great question and one that deserves a thorough explanation. To understand this, we need to look at the design choices made in Kotlin. The isEmpty function is designed to provide a clear and explicit way to check if a collection is empty, while size gives you the total number of elements. Let's break this down further. And stick around. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand the reasoning behind this design choice, but also gain insights into Kotlin's collection framework that will enhance your coding skills. To understand why isEmpty is a function rather than a property, we need to look at the design principles of Kotlin collections. The user should note that functions can provide additional logic beyond simple value retrieval. In Kotlin, the isEmpty function is designed to explicitly check if a collection has no elements. This allows for potential optimizations or additional checks that might not be possible with a simple property. On the other hand, the size property directly returns the number of elements in the collection. This is a straightforward retrieval of a stored value, which is why it is implemented as a property. The user might wonder if this is a design bug. However, it is a deliberate choice in Kotlin's design to differentiate between simple value access and more complex checks. In summary, while both isEmpty and size serve related purposes, their implementations reflect different design considerations in Kotlin collections. Fun fact, did you know that Kotlin was designed to be fully interoperable with Java? This means you can use Kotlin alongside Java seamlessly, which is a huge advantage for developers. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. One user points out that in Java, the method list.isEmpty is already established. They believe that having a list.isNotEmpty property in Kotlin could lead to confusion. Therefore, the Kotlin developers likely chose to keep isNotEmpty as a method to maintain consistency with Java. Here's a takeaway. Embrace the differences in design choices when learning a new language. They often have a purpose that can lead to better coding practices in the long run. And there you have it. Now you understand why isEmpty is a function in Kotlin collections. Keep exploring and questioning as you learn. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more insights and tips on Kotlin and programming.